Hi, this is a quick demo of the Tornelo chess scoresheet app. The first step in using the app is grabbing the link to your Tornelo tournament from the Tornelo website. The yellow bar at the top indicates that this step should be completed by an arbiter. As you can see, I've already grabbed a link, so let's get started with this example tournament. The next step is to select the board that this iPad will be placed on. The toolbar is now blue, indicating that a player should be using the app now. If an arbiter wants to use the app, they have to unlock it to access arbiter mode. Let's go ahead and select Gen. Now we see the recording screen, where players record their moves. We allow illegal moves and support skipping moves to be filled in later. If I exit the app, it locks itself down and an arbiter has to put in the code. I can undo mistakes I've made, flip the board, and mark previous moves as draw offers. All of this is being actively developed, so there isn't too much to show, but I can also edit past moves. When I end the game, I select a winner, and at this point, both players sign their names. After this, the result is shown, and I can email myself a PGN of the game.